All right, so right now where my truck is and those other guys is exactly 100 yards to where we're sitting right now. And if you want to pan back, so this is 100 yards. We're going to drive down to there and take a picture back up here where Dave is with the sound meter. Then after we do the test, we will go to 200 yards and do the exact same tests, and then we will commence to go out on the road, the surrounding roads off of St. Augustine Road, Route 286, and also Old Telegraph Road. Do the exact same test with the exact same paintball guns going off, the exact same shotgun blast going off at the same place, and also a bullhorn and then the truck horn. All right, and we can go.
Yeah.
All right, we're at a 100-yard mark, and the guy standing all the way at the end is Dave, where the sound test will be. In the background, you can hear actual playing going on, which is approximately 100 to 125 yards where we're recording. And we're going to move back to 200 yards just to show the distance, and then we'll start the tape recording. Okay, we're now at 200 yards, and again, the guy that's waving all the way at the end is Dave, who will be doing the sound test. After we do the 100-yard sound test, we will go to the 200-yard mark, just showing the distance.
You got to your back.
Go ahead.
Okay, shotguns first. Car horn. Megaphone's next. Starting now.
Cast.
Okay, cut.
Okay, we got 20 people, 40 markers at a distance of 100 yards. You ready? All right, Rick, go ahead. Got it. It's going to be the shotgun blast, the truck horn, the loudspeaker, and then the paintball guns at 200 yards.
Fire in the hole.
Test, 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 test,
Bring it a little closer. You can bring it pretty close since it's different lines. There we go.
All right, waiting
call.
ahead.
Goodness gracious, I'm sorry for you guys.
Disrespectful.
I look doing this video.
What?
Is it on yet?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, we're all set up and ready.
If that's reading a 56 and my voice is reading a 62.
Can't hear nothing. 5-on-5 speedball. Dave, are you gonna talk? Or
What?
Jeff gonna talk?
As far as what's going on now?
Mhm.
What's going on now?
Right now he's got 5-on-5 here.
Okay, Rick, go ahead. Yeah, I'm here. Okay. 30. Gotcha. Okay. 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 Right now we've got 5-on-5 speedball, 30 people playing woods ball, and then the test going on at the same time. We'll be doing the same thing: the shotgun blast, the car horn, the loudspeaker, and then the 10 seconds of the paintball markers. Whenever you're ready, Rick. Okay. You're going to shoot the shotgun, aren't you? That's all.
Alright. Yeah.
Just say the location like it's at the 200-yard mark or whatever.
You ready?
We're ready.
Yeah, they're ready. No. Did you get anything? Not a thing.
Do they even shoot?
Yeah, Jeff just. Okay.
Just come on in front of it. You just come on over.
All right, Whitey.
We're set up and ready. Any problem?
The car went through, it was like 73 air.
Roger that. Same thing.
Same thing. Going to go, you recording it, yes?
Yep, you're good.
Going with the 3 shotgun blast, the car horn for 10 seconds, the bullhorn, and then the paintball markers, the 30 markers for 10 seconds.
Say where we are.
We are on Andrea Drive, just off of
Old Telegraph.
Old Telegraph Road.
Old Telegraph Road,
Yeah.
White Swan Lake. You got it. Already done. Mm-hmm. Okay. There's the megaphone. Okay, cut it off for a second, Jeff. Start rolling. Jeff says he is ready for the paintball guns. Correct. We're going up to Brian's house now.
And out of the way. Back up. And right now we are
At
south side of which property, Whitey?
Brian Johnson
Brian Johnson's house on the farm right behind his house
at Old Telegraph Road.
on Old Telegraph Road.
Ready?
Yep. Call him up.
This will be site number 3. I'll just say what each one we're doing.
Sure.
We're ready. Right. They panned around. We said that already. We got our spiels done. And I smiled for the camera. Roger that. First test will be shotgun blasts. Gotcha. Next test is car horn going on right now. Next test will be megaphone. Second jet.
Rolling.
Next test will be the paintball markers going off.
Hold on.
Excellent.
Just want to say that we could hear them through your phone, but not through the woods.
Correct. You can hear it through the phone, but not even through the woods. Correct.
Okay. It's a view of near John Cochran's property, which is right now, off of Route 342. And it's a meter.
And we're being watched.
Bring it over and tilt it up a little bit. There you go. Right there.
No glare on there.
Hey, we're at Cochran's. There's a couple people out there. Uh-huh. Roger that. We'll Roger that, they're loading up.
If that's good,
Yep.
Jeff.
Yep, you're good right there.
Panned around where we were at, let them know where we were. Say 2-inch Magnum, 3-inch Magnum, 12 gauge, shotgun. Got you. That's the shells we're using for this test.
You recording yet?
It's been going.
Roger that. Our first test will be the shotgun blasts. Put my life in danger. Was that nothing? No, they actually went back by the barn. What's that? Yeah, it was a young kid and a lady. It wasn't. Nope. They're probably running back to their properties. White Swan Lake, we were being watched, but that was about it. Yeah. 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 Nope.
Should I stop it for now?
Some little old lady was hiding in the bushes.
Whitey. Strike. Yeah, there you go.
Can you see the horses?
Go a little that way and I can. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Why?
See if they can move.
Roger that.
You have to focus on them like this. You can still see though.
Shot.
That's for sure.
Got you. Shotgun first. Second test will be the horn. Third test will be the megaphone. Cut it off. Jeff's turning all his stuff on now.
Hold on 1 second, like countdown.
Rolling.
Okay,
All right,
good.
next will be the test of the paintball markers. We still have 5-on-5 in the speedball fields going on right now, and up to 30 people playing in the woods ball fields. We're ready, Rick. Nope. Ambient levels only. Only.
I'm gonna say, we're on Wilmer Drive outside Mr. Foster's residence. Test. All right, sir, we're ready.
We are ready. Roger that. It'll be the same thing. First test will be shotgun blasts. Here we go. Roger that. Second test will be the horn. Yeah, probably like 10 seconds after you shot. Next test will be the megaphone. Cut it off.
Rolling. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Last test will be paintball markers.
want to start walking back? Do the whole game or not? All right.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Okay, this test was performed approximately 50 yards away from the actual paintball field, which is the marker was 100 yards away from the first test, shotgun, cardboard, loudspeaker, and the 20 paintball guns.